Today I'm going to show you how to shop for makeup online if you are clueless or were as clueless as I was when I started this process. Hi, my name is Tora and I share DIY lifestyle videos here on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if this is something that you enjoy. So when I first started shopping for makeup online, it was just at the height of lockdown or at the beginning of lockdown, and I obviously couldn't go to any makeup counter to get makeup or anything. And if I'm being honest, my makeup was like 7 years old, really bad. So I knew that I had to change them, but I wasn't sure where to start. Well, how do I get the right shade? How do I find, something that fits my complexion? My makeup skills were outdated at best. So I was like completely clueless. Here's how I navigated this journey over the course of 2 weeks. So in order to buy every single item I needed for a good face beat, I spent about £740. Yeah, 740.63. Yeah, that's exactly how much I spent on everything. And that's after working out discounts and shopping in different places. I'm going to put a list in the description box of the colors, the shades, and everything that I chose, just so that can guide you as well if you're feeling as clueless as I was. So the first thing obviously you want to do is try to shade match as much as possible online. Now, I understand that you can't see people and all of that, but what you can do is literally go on people's pages, especially makeup artists that share their product, and start bookmarking each item. That's what I did. I bookmarked pages like different people, people in Nigeria, people everywhere that shared, the type of makeup that I liked and how I wanted to look like. Another thing you obviously want to do, I know this sounds like a no-brainer, but you want to find makeup gurus that look like you, that have your skin tone, that have your undertones and all of that. You want to find people that look like you and then look at the products that they use. Which brings me to one tool that you're going to find invaluable in this process, and that is Foundation.com. F-I-N-D-A-T-I-O-N. Foundation.com. So basically, I found this website when I was doing my research and I was like, oh my God, where have you been all my life? Foundation.com, all you have to do is put one color or one shade that you have that is already a shade match. And many of you already have foundation. So just take the foundation that you currently have, put it on the website, and it will shade match like other brands that match that shade that you already own. So you don't really have to go to the counter to shade match, and you basically find your exact shade. Like, it's such a really nifty tool, website, and it was one of the best things that I found, because I was able to find 2 shades lighter for my concealer. So I put my foundation color and then I found 2 shades lighter and also 2 shades darker. And that was how I was able to find a good, contour and a good highlight. Obviously, the links to everything will be down in the description box below. Why can't you talk to it, right? Another thing that I found quite helpful was using Google image search. Now, when products come out, a lot of makeup gurus do swatches. So when you use Google image search to see the range of color in a particular foundation or concealer that you want, you're able to look, oh, does this match my skin? Do I want it lighter? Do I want it darker? And this was so useful in finding my shade. For instance, for this concealer, the Born This Way concealer, which I use under my eyes when I'm really looking for a glam look. When you find swatches, just Google something like Born This Way concealer swatches, and you will be amazed to see the range of colors, and then you can kind of use your eye to match exactly what you're looking for. And of course, one other thing I did was to ask people in my life, oh, what do you use? What do you use? Now, I know that this is a pretty short video, but I really wanted to bless someone with this video because I know the struggle of buying makeup online without actually seeing it in person. And I can tell you for a fact that every single thing I purchased here, from the eye collection to the lips, to the face, to the cheeks, to the everything, was on point. I literally did not have one bad buy. I mean, what did I not like? Was it the blusher? Was it everything I bought was spot on, and I really thought I've enjoyed using my makeup. I feel like it was a worthy investment. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think of this video in the comment box below. I will see you guys later. Bye.